In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit footer in WordPress. The footer is the strip at the bottom of every page where you typically place your logo, copyright, navigation links, social icons, or contact details. Updating it in one place means the change shows across your entire site. So let's walk through the simplest, safest way to do it. First, open your WordPress dashboard and head to Appearance, then choose Editor. This opens the Site Editor, where you work with blocks and global parts of your design. Give it a moment to load. You'll see a preview of your site with a sidebar that helps you jump to what you want to edit. Next, in the left sidebar, click Patterns, then Template Parts, and select Footer. Template parts are reusable sections like headers and footers, and the footer part controls what appears at the bottom of all your templates. If you see multiple footers listed, pick the one currently in use for your theme. You'll now be looking at the footer layout in the editor canvas. From here, edit the footer blocks just like you would anywhere else in the block editor. Click Text to rewrite it, select images or logos to replace them, and adjust navigation menus by selecting the navigation block and editing or reordering links. If your footer uses columns, you can resize or rearrange them, or add new blocks inside them. Use the right-hand settings panel to fine-tune colors, typography, spacing, and alignment. For readability, maintain good contrast between text and background, and keep link styles consistent with the rest of your site. If selecting the right element is tricky, open List View from the top toolbar to see a structured outline of your footer. This makes it easy to choose the exact block, like a specific column, button, or social icon. If you need an additional item, insert a new block and drag it into place. Keep your footer focused on essentials, key links, brand elements, and legally required items, so it stays clean and useful. When you're happy, click Save. WordPress will show a summary of what's being updated, usually the footer template part. Confirm the save, and your changes will apply site-wide instantly. Because the footer is a global element, anything you edited here will now appear across your pages and posts without any extra work. That's it. You went to Appearance and opened the editor, navigated to Patterns, Template Parts, and Footer, made your adjustments to the footer blocks, and clicked Save. With these steps, you can confidently maintain a polished, consistent footer for your entire WordPress site.